Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Polite. Today we are going to be showing you how to make a club sandwich. Don't go away. Now, the club sandwich is one of those sandwiches that's ubiquitous across the United States, and every diner and every short order cook knows how to make one. It's right up there with the patty melt, the burger, the BLT, and of course the grilled cheese and the grilled ham and cheese, which you see on every diner menu. So we're going to do our version of it. I hope you enjoy it. All right, here's our ingredients. We got some mayonnaise, 2 types of cheese, Swiss and American. We got bacon, ham, turkey, 3 slices of bread that we're going to toast, and some tomato and lettuce. First thing we're going to do is take our toast, throw it in the toaster, all 3 pieces. All right, while that toast is toasting, we're just going to do some simple prep. And basically, we're just going to cut our tomato to give us 3 nice slices. Half the lettuce. We're just going to build a BLT for one side. We're going to put the American cheese on there. The other side we're going to put our meat and our Swiss cheese. Now this is the fun part. Mayonnaise there, BLT. Mayonnaise on both sides to hold it together. We're just going to put our turkey and our ham, evenly distribute it onto the sandwich. Top it with some cheese, more mayonnaise. You can see all those layers in there. That looks pretty scrumptious, kind of like a Dagwood. Now let's cut this baby up the way it's supposed to be cut up. You kind of see where the picks go. Now we're just gonna cut it angles. There's your sandwich right there. So you can put this on a plate basically with a pickle, and you can use chips, cottage cheese, potato salad, coleslaw, soup, whatever kind of side you want with it, or you can just eat it plain by itself. We're going to present this on a plate with a pickle, and we're going to take a ton of pictures of it for social media, pin them on the timeline of the editing program that we have, score some beautiful music underneath it, and then we're going to say goodbye. So don't go away. Alright, well, thanks a lot for watching us today. We made a wonderful club sandwich. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Let me know how you like the show, like the video and this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and then share this channel and this video with everybody you know. Thanks a lot for joining us. We'll see you again right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Polite. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.